Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Today I am going to take EVS for you all, chapter 3. Know your body. Now let us learn about functions of different body parts. There are 5 sense organs. We are able to learn, understand and enjoy all the things around us because of our sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, mouth, hand. Sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing, sense of taste, and sense of touch. Now let us learn elaborately about sense organs. All the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. They enable us to see, hear, taste, and feel all the good things of life. Now let us see about eyes. Eyes are organs of the visual system. We see with our eyes. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We can see their colors, shapes, different types of objects, etc. Nose. We smell and breathe with our nose. Nose is important for us because the two little holes in it help us in breathing. Our nose regulates the temperature of the air or breath. The passing of the air through the nose allows the air to become more like body temperature. The nose also plays a role in hearing. Hands. We have 2 hands and 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. Human hands are unique. Hands are one of our greatest assets. Our hands helps us to do so many things like writing, holding, carrying, playing games, using a computer, texting on phones and a million other things. I can pull with my hand. I can make things with my hands. Mouth. The two main functions of the mouth are eating and speaking. Parts of the mouth include the lips, teeth, mouth cavity, and tongue. Ears. We have 2 ears. We hear with our ears. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. The ear is an advanced and very sensitive organ of the human body. Another very important function of the ear is to maintain our sense of balance. Now let us revise the functions of different body parts. I see with my eyes. I write with my hands. I eat with my mouth. I hear music with my ears. We do so many things with our body parts. Now writing part. Practice zone 1. Refer the page number 40. Choose the correct answer. After the question, 2 answers given below. You have to choose the correct answer and write it on the line. A. We use our eyes to dash, see or kick. Our eyes helps us to see. So C is the correct answer. What is the spelling of the C? S-E-E. C. You have to write it on the correct line. B. We use our hands to dash, write or smell. Our hands helps us to write. What is the spelling of the write? W-R-I-T-E. Write. C. We use our nose to dash, breathe or eat. Which one is the correct answer? Nose only helps us to breathe. So, write breathe. What is the spelling of the breathe? B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. D. We use our ears to dash, hear or see. Our ears helps us to hear. So here is the correct answer. H-E-A-R, hear. Last one, we use our mouth to dash, eat or write. Our mouth helps us to eat. So eat is the correct answer. What is the spelling of the eat? E-A-T, eat. Okay children, write neatly in your notebook. Answer the questions. 1. How many sense organs do you have? Second question. Which organ helps us to hear the sounds? Refer the page number 38 and 39. I hope you all enjoyed my class very well. We will see you in the next class. Thank you. Take care.